Hello, so I announced the work in progress Sleeping Dogs Remastered Edition, and if you have the early access of this mod, let's just say you want to install this to your game. To do this, firstly you need the file. So here is the thing you downloaded. You will double click on this and press yes. You'll meet a setup wizard. Go next, and browse, and you will browse your game. You will go to your Sleeping Dogs folder, make sure it's a definitive edition, select that directory, press OK, next, and press install. That's it. But this is an early access, so there might be some problems, and for every problems there is solution. Normally you double click here and your game will start with mod. For example, I'm gonna test it out and I'll show you that it works. There, it says remastered mod by KTMX, so it's obvious that it works now. But let's also show you that when you press home, the preset will automatically be selected. If not, the solution is to select it manually. Now let's say none of this work for some reason because we're running on computer and computer is broken. So let's just say it's not working. So what do we do? Well, let's start with textures. You will surely find this folder. That means it's installed properly. If not, you'll just have to reinstall it. Also, by the way, it's not here. So if you want to fix it, you'll find this DLL setting.ini. Open this. Here you'll find modded textures folder equal ./textures. This means it'll automatically find your textures folder, which is here. But in case it doesn't find it, you'll just copy the location and paste like this. I do not need to, but you can try it. Next is that your reshade's not working. Why? Because your reshade.ini is broken. If that's the case, just delete this and reinstall reshade. And that will be it. So, I hope you enjoy the mod, and I'll see you next time.